Hey, what's going on, guys? So, for today, I am going to show you how to get back streaks on Snapchat. So, let's start. Now, first, let's open up Snapchat. Now, click on your profile picture and click on the settings icon. You can scroll down, and here under support, tap on I need help. Here in shortcuts, you can tap on I lost my snap streak. So what you basically do here is you are going to send an email to Snapchat support. So you can choose your reasons from here and supply your username, email, mobile number, and device. And you can also continue and fill out the rest of the form. Now, after all that, you can tap on submit. And Snapchat support is going to get in touch with you within 48 hours. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.